Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis, guys. We just want to see what's really happening, guys. If you're not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want that signal system, which is going to provide you with the signals, it's only $20. If you want to join my VIP signals, it's also $20. If you want the robot, it's also it's $100. So for everyone who bought the new robot at the moment, I'm still testing another robot at the moment, so it's me. I'm going to give you that for free. That robot actually works on MT5, so I'll be sending it out maybe in a week or two. Then please let me know. Let me know if you're watching this video. Let me know. Then after the testing is done, I'm going to send it out to everyone who purchased the new robot. So we are on USOIL, which is still on a very strong bullish momentum. I know when we say bullish momentum, we mean the market is actually pushing to the upside. Do you see that? So around this area, we can see that there was an area that we can call a resistance, which the market broke. You can see I drawn a line here. The market broke out of that already. You can see that. So now the market is moving to the higher side. You can see the market respected this area. Now the market moving higher. So it means for us to say we buy another around this area, the market also did something like a resistance, which the market might come back and respect that before pushing to the upside. Maybe we can just go on a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame and see what's really happening. You can see that, you see the market created something like this here. Even here it's creating that resistance and support. So the market is actually breaking this, creating this previous high, then comes back and respect that area before pushing higher. Do you see that? Then after I break out, the market do the same thing. You can see the previous high here. Then the market comes back again around that area, respects that area. So what we expect here, we expect that the market might push to the upside and can continue to do the same thing as long as we are still on bullish momentum. But at the moment, I don't think maybe everyone can look for a sell position. Only if maybe we can break these areas, the market might push lower. If we break this resistance and start to push the lower side, it's where we can say maybe the market is trying to push to the lowest side. Simple as that. Don't complicate things, guys. So let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one, which is what? Which is gold. So what do we see on gold, guys? On gold, we had a very great week trading gold. Why? Because the market was just doing exactly what we saw on the chart. Firstly, we identified the downtrend. Sorry, you can see here we had this area where the market respected, and when we draw our chart or our trend line, you can see that this was a very nice downtrend where the market was respecting. You can see from this area the market respected this zone there, and the market reached this area. Now the market is moving to the lower side. So the question is, will the market break this area? You can see the blue line where we say it's a support area, because from that side we see that the market also respected that. So we might have a fake breakout, as you can see from here. Even here that it's happening now. So there is that possibility that the market might respect that. So what we can do is let's check on a 4-hour time frame and see what's really happening. So we need to see. So you can see that around this area we had similar move. Even here we have a similar move, but here it might be different because the market, it might be just because already the market broke here, the market might be creating a retest. Maybe the market wants to push to the lowest side, but at the moment it seems like the market is still pushing a bit higher. We will see on Monday if the market is going to come back above our support, or maybe is going to push to the lowest side. But we had a very nice sell from this area up to here, which was very great. So simple as that. So as we are on this support area or resistance, as the market broke, it means we just need to see if the market will keep going lower, or maybe the market is going to come above this support and push the upper side. But the best thing that we can do is to wait for the market. So let's go straight to GERMAN40 or GERMAN30. So later on Friday, the market pushed to the highest side. So let me just leave this on a 4-hour time frame. So later on Friday, we saw the market pushing up, they again pushing down, but later on we saw the market trying to push up again, which means we might find a gap. We might find tomorrow, we might find the market trying to reach this area. But what we can do is, don't forget that we still have this resistance which is on top here. So if the market is going to break that, we should know that the market is now back on that bullish momentum. But if that is not happening, maybe the market is going to respect this resistance and come back again, and we might see the same thing happening. Why? The market is still under pressure. The interest rate thing, where they're going to push, they maybe increase the interest rates, which might keep the market pushing to the lower side. Yes, that might happen, but you know what? We should stick to the market structure. Even if they take they increase the interest rate, it's fine, as long as we get the nice structure. We can just go with that structure, So if maybe if maybe you are afraid to buy or to sell and say, oh, they're going to increase this and that, remember guys, we always have those things a year. Every year we have interest rates, and yeah, I'm not surprised when the market is going down or up. That's how the market's supposed to go, you see. So please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. So even US30 guys, we saw a nice push later on, but I was already out by that time because the market was just going up and down like crazy. So but what do we see after this strong bearish momentum? Now, at least now, we can see that the market is creating some very nice recovery structure, which I can say maybe the market is that time where the market is going to recover. So remember, we had this support area, which the market is, even now, the market is respecting that. So we might see a push to the upside, and here we might find something like a resistance, and maybe the market might come back again, try to create this very nice uptrend, which is something that I love because it shows that the market is now recovering. We never had a very strong bigger candlesticks since December. We never had something like this, which shows us that the market is trying to recover, you see. So it means now we should look for bullish momentum, because I think we no longer, especially on US30, we no longer under that bearish momentum. If we draw something like this, you can see that we're no longer under that, you see. So let's move to the next one, which is NASDAQ 100. I don't really want to waste your time on one thing. So now we are on on NASDAQ 100. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's happening on NASDAQ? We see that the market was seriously pushing to the lower side. Everyone knows that, and you can able to see that. So what's really happening is the market created something here which is very nice and very perfect. You can see that the market respected this area several times, and this is a 4-hour time frame. So on top here, we can also see that the market respected this area several times, and now we back around that area. Later on Friday, the market reached that area, which means it's because of I think it's Apple and Tesla they released their figures, their financial reports. So, and they were positive. So I think the market was reacting to that. But what we want is we stick to the structure. If the market is breaking the structure or closing above this structure, it's where we can say, you know what, now we're looking for that buy momentum going up, because the market has been like going lower for the longest time now. So again, we might have another area where we can say, you see this area, it's sort of a resistant. If you want to consider that, it's also fine. You can say, you know what, I will only buy when the market is moving above this area. Then it's where I can say it's time to buy. Yes, the market might still consolidate because of so many news that are going on, economic news. It's all over the place, especially in the US. So that is also pressurizing the stock markets, guys. That is also gives the market the stress. So that's why we see the market just consolidating. But I think I welcome this sell off. Why? Because that is going to give us some very nice time to go up with the market. When the market is changing the trend, we will be here waiting for the market. So what I'm looking for, I'm not looking for so many things. I'm waiting for the market to break this area. Then after it breaks this area, we can wait for a retest or maybe a nice candlestick to close above that resistant area. Then it's where we can say, now it's our time to do what? To buy. To buy freely. I'm not saying that the market might not push lower. Yes, but with the structure that I see at the moment, we might have some very nice recovery. Some very, very nice recovery, which is something that we welcome. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I don't want to make this video very long. As long as you can understand whatever that I'm trying to say here. And again, don't forget to watch my previous videos, because they can help you to improve, especially on your trading, as whether you have a different strategy, but that might help you maybe to improve some of your weaknesses that you go through in the market. You might make a very nice strategy combining with my daily analysis. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Have a very, very great weekend. Bye.